C1264 error code in Worcester Bosch boilers is a common built-in error code to detect issues in the boiler. In this video, we will look at the cause of this code and troubleshoot it. The C1264 error code is triggered when there's a problem with the fan or its circuitry, or the fan has stopped working, affecting the safe combustion process. The fan is essential for pushing out harmful gases through the flue, and it connects to an air pressure switch, which communicates with the boiler's PCB. To resolve the C1264 error code, try restarting the boiler, checking for obstructions, and inspecting wiring connections. But remember, always seek help from a qualified gas-safe engineer. Prevent future occurrences by scheduling annual boiler servicing, keeping air vents clear, and maintaining a clean environment around the boiler. You can book your regular annual boiler service with Service Team. Check out the link in the description below and get one of our gas-safe engineers out now. For expert boiler repairs and service, trust Service Team, your go-to company for heating problems. Our gas-safe qualified engineers are available 24/7, including bank holidays in and around London. Click the links below to book one of our engineers. Thanks for watching.